Vera from channel Totally Real Life, and today we will be discussing how invasive species are affecting evolution in the United States of America. Invasive species have been taking over habitats for millions of years, just like my boyfriend in our house. Here's our guest, Lord Ivan Calloway, with more information.
Yes, thank you, Vera. I'm an evolutionary biologist in Silicon Valley at SkyTech Labs. Definitely super legal and not run by a sinister and terrifying organization. Let's go. And yes, invasive species are a big problem in the US. They travel from their native habitat to a habitat similar of their own. And since there's no predators in this new habitat, they wreak havoc and cause destruction on the chaos, costing the US a whopping $138 billion each year, according to the Fish and Wildlife Service, which is almost as much as my divorce settlement. Oh man. Not only do these species destroy the native habitat and the food web, but they also destroy the lives of the organisms around, causing disaster very similar to my social life. Oh boy, in fact, we know of an aquatic farmer that has been plagued by these aliens.
I'm Adrian Popov, and today I'm here with a Wyoming farmer whose resources have been decreasing due to an unwelcome species, and holds a world record for 70 children. Yes, you heard it right, 70 children. So, Stu, who are you and what happened to your farm?
Howdy, my name is Frederick Douglas, but my friends call me Fred. I'm an aquatic plant farmer as well as a fish farmer, and I also have a lamb farm here in Wyoming. Recently, my aquatic plant farm has been hit hard by those darn invasive rusted crawfish. They are voracious as heck. And my abundance of plants and plant diversity has been reduced drastically. I have some negative crayfish in my farm, and my numbers have been disappearing due to those invasive species, man.
That's awful. Fred, how are these crawfish affecting your day-to-day life?
Well, friends call me Fred, but anyhow, I have 70 kids at home, and if all my plants are going and disappearing, how am I going to feed them? Also, my plants are my friends, and I love them so much. And if crayfish are going to make them all disappear, then I won't get to see them as much as I do, and I'm going to be very sad. So we need to stop this right now so that they don't go extinct. It was really nice talking to you, mister. Have a good day.
Nice talking to you too, Mr. Douglas. Now Vera will further discuss the topic with Lord Ivan Calloway.
Thank you, Adrian. Today I'm back at the studio with the guest from earlier, Lord Ivan Calloway. So, Mr. Calloway, can you please tell us what exactly is an invasive species?
Yes, thank you for that introduction. According to the National Invasive Species Information Center, invasive species means a species whose introduction does or is likely to cause environmental or economical harm or harm to human health.
So invasive species are definitely not welcome. I heard that they cost the government a lot of money because of the damage that they do. Can you elaborate on that, please?
Yes, I can. While the effects on humans are great, they affect the native species much more. The International Union for the Conservation of Nature says that they found that of the 170 extinct animal species that have a cause of extinction listed, the invasive species are a contributing factor to 91 of those species, and the only factor of extinction in 34 of those species. This leads to the theory that the future of evolution in species is influence. You see, if you kill off one species, then the species that eats that species has to either die off or change. This causes a change in allelic frequencies, which is a percentage or a portion of the allele population to change, causing evolution, which is the process by which a species becomes more diverse over time.
Thank you, Ivan, for coming onto the show with us. Next, Adrian will interview another farmer whose goats have been killed by the invasive python.
I know you've missed me, but I'm here in Florida where a famous goat farmer whose goats have been targeted by an invasive species known as pythons. So, Mr. Beetlebum, what are these awful creatures doing to your precious goats?
Boy, mate, I'm Quentin Beetlebottom, and I've been a goat farm like Mr. Interviewer said. Anyhow, I live in Florida and my goats have been targeted by those nasty pythons. Beautiful creatures, but I love my goats. I actually have endangered species of goats in my farm. For example, the San Clemente goat, which is in critical condition. If they go extinct, this could change evolution drastically.
So to get this straight, you have some goats who are going extinct because of these invasive species?
Yes, sir. I know the effects of these wild creatures. And I'm from Australia, and Australia has struggled with invasive species, and I did not want to here in the U.S., though we are already beginning to struggle. Oi, mate, it was nice talking to you, and see you later, mate.
It was nice talking to you too, Mr. Bottom. Back to you, Vera.
Thanks, Adrian. This has been channeled Totally Real Life with Vera Skolov and Adrian Popov. Hope you learned something.